Hello, my name is Galila, and today I'm going to talk about the skin within, which is what I consume to help me maintain a healthy and great looking skin. And my secret beauty tip is flaxseed. Flaxseed as in the whole grain, and I can just put it in anything that I'm eating, or take it as a form of vitamin. This is easier way, especially if you travel a lot, you can just throw it in your bag. Flaxseed is great for cardiovascular system, and it's great for brain growth, brain cells, skin cells, but do not heat it, do not put it on as a form of cooking because it could turn toxic. It's important to put things on your skin such as creams and all these things to help you out, but 90% of the time it is what you eat is who you are. So hope you enjoy it.